This video is on our Model 5004 transit ticket card vending machine that accepts credit cards, bills, and coins. Example for credit card, let me move in here. You can select by pushing the button 4 different vend prices, as you can see on the display. Each time I press the button, it toggles around all the way back to the original purchase. So we're going to stop on 80 cents. And we're going to swipe our credit card. As we swipe our credit card,
please wait for confirmation.
And you'll watch on the display, it's going to now pop up and come up with 80 cents for a vend.
Thank you, and goodbye.
And then we'll go down here, press our button. It dispenses our transit ticket. And then we can print our receipt. Now, I'm going to get a close-up for you of the receipt. This is intended for credit card transaction because business people want a receipt for their credit cards. Now we can accept cash. And on our display, we're now showing that we've got $1 on display. And we press our button. We dispense our card. And we have a remainder of 20 cents. Now I can add my coins. And as I do, you'll see it incrementing. I've now 40 cents. So I can press a 40-cent transit ticket. And of course, you can get a receipt. But again, the receipt is intended for credit card, not cash transactions, even though people will do that. You can do a split tendering, credit card and cash, and it actually works. So, example here, I'm going to put in a token. So we have token vending capability. And we've set the token for 80 cents as an example here. So we can dispense a ticket with the tokens. And, of course, print a receipt. Now, what's different here is instead of utilizing the MDB, we're using the pulse mode. So what we do here is we get the cash from the credit card up front before anything happens. Credit card transaction is completed, and then the customer can press the button for whichever price card that they've selected. All right, because you can look on the display there right now. It's 40 cents, 65 cents, 80 cents. All right, and then swiping the card goes out wirelessly and gets the transaction, and then you'll watch the display. Thank you for your purchase, and you'll watch up there on the display. It's counting up.
Thank you, and goodbye.
And we can count up in nickels or dollars or dimes or whatever you desire. And then presses the button for a receipt. Okay. This ends our presentation.